like I work in finance. God bless, no, this not by chance. Don't dab me, you're not my man. Don't at me, you're not my man. Mama said don't buy it if you cannot buy it twice. I cop by the tools and I don't pump fake with the price. Always on the grind, I put in work with all my might. I know that he got me.
Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. My name is LJ and you're watching NoClutch Garage. And right now we're arriving at EuroMpire because it seems like my car is ready to go. Let's look in there, and actually I don't even know if it's actually ready to go. I think I have to replace an O2 sensor. We have to finish connecting the electronic boost controller, and then I think also the downpipe, and I think that's it, and then I can take it home and drive it. So let's head inside and see what's going on. Alright, looks like my car's on the lift. What's up, buddy? Walnut blasting?
Yep.
What's up, man?
Hey, bro.
Hey, what's going on down here?
Trying to get the downpipe to fit.
It won't fit? Angled weird?
Doesn't want to slide in all the way. See the gap right here? It is kind of angled up a little bit, but the flex pipe can pick up to that.
Yeah. Well, it seems like Matt already did pretty much all of the work. So the oxygen sensor's in, the electronic boost controller is plugged up. Now we're just working on fitting the downpipe. But besides that, everything is done. Hopefully we get to drive this beast pretty soon. Huge shout out to Matt. I mean, I hate that I didn't get the content. You know, I hate that I didn't get to record any of that, but we had pretty much completed 99% of everything yesterday. So it was just a matter of hooking everything up. And hopefully we'll get to drive it. And I am so excited. You have no idea. Did you finally get it in where you wanted?
Well,
No.
no,
It's still, it like hasn't moved at all, really.
no. It's as if the exhaust needs to come towards the front like an inch.
Yeah. It seems to be down here like this, but
Fucking
line
crazy.
up.
Yeah.
For it to be straight.
It's kind of stupid.
Only a little. Stick it way down.
And like the rest of the exhaust is already coming this way so far that it's going to hit the,
Yeah.
So what are you doing right now?
I'm going to weld this extension piece onto here because this motherfucking part ain't long enough. Safety first. You're still fucking you up, man?
Huh? Yeah, dude.
You're on antibiotics, you said, right?
Yeah.
I've never had one. I fucked my ears up before, but
Yeah,
I've
no,
never had an ear infection.
it sucks. Everything pisses you off, dude. Like, for real. What's the shilling gas, dude?
It's called back purging. So you get shielding gas on the inside as well. So now if you look in there, see the inside of my weld compared to that weld down there. See all that shit around in there? On the inside of mine? It's called sugaring down in there. On the exhaust, it's really not that big of a deal. But if it's on something that, like intake, that could break off and go into the engine, don't want that. But even on the exhaust, it's not ideal. Will it hurt anything? Probably not.
So if you want quality stainless steel welds, come to EuroMpire. Is that what you're saying?
That's it.
Is this a game of 20 questions?
I was like, you're really gonna give me a take around 5.
Yeah.
It probably could.
Did it fit finally?
You could probably go in some more.
You might need to. I think we're gonna be good here.
Did you remember that one?
Blue one?
Yeah.
It's alright.
It was alright.
It's alright. They about like
Yeah,
like
yeah.
high threes when they're
Up here it is. Still got a
Yeah, like
little bit of
375, 380. Messed up.
a little bit. Yeah,
Almost skydiving if you don't like get up off the fucking plane. Yeah, you're kind of rolling off the back of the damn plane.
Oh my god. I could not even.
Yeah, Austin.
Woohoo!
And I'm like,
Light at the end of the tunnel.
why does this guy say this, man? Go there, 'cause it's really stupid sometimes. Well, like other times.
When the bolt starts to cross thread, you just send that thing home with ooga doogas.
I don't know why. It just kept on freestyling.
Matt's just over here like, I got a bunch of idiots working for me.
At least I feel at home. Yeah, I heard that's smart. You say do the work, you just look good.
Right.
It wasn't for these guys. I mean, ditch.
I like that a lot.
I ran out of black vacuum line I used.
Yeah, that's cool, man. It's cool. Thanks, man.
Yep.
Appreciate you a lot.
Start it. It's got two. That one is not. It still has the internal one.
So, are we? Besides the panels, are we officially done?
No. Now we're in the let's start it and see if anything leaks or any weird noises or anything like that.
Okay. Go ahead. Tell you what, it definitely does sound different. I gotta put it on the right map.
Hey, it's quiet. You would never know.
Alright guys, so we finally got around to getting this thing dialed in as far as the bass tune settings, and we're gonna close her up at the bottom and then we're gonna take her for a spin. I'm so excited. The phone? Okay. Yeah. Alright, so right now I'm gonna let Matt drive it first, just to make sure everything's okay. And then I'm gonna give it a drive, probably take it home tonight. I really fucking like that. It sounds like a turbine, like an airplane or something. How are my IATs looking? Pretty cold.
64 degrees, yeah. Real cool. It's really good.
So I was worried about, you know, how everything is so open there, that it would heat soak.
You do not have M brakes. The IATs are still 63 degrees. They went down after that pull.
Well, I have the brake pads at home, so it's more like I don't have brakes. I was thinking of upgrading the brake lines.
Yeah, stainless steel brake lines make a good big difference.
Yeah.
It makes the pedal loss different too.
Yeah. So I might have you do that.
Dude, the oil temps are like really good too. After doing a couple hard pulls like that, 94 degrees.
You know, okay, so that's part of MHC. I have it set to performance.
Okay.
That actually cools the oil and water temps a lot faster. It's like the M Sport.
Time check. Drivetrain malfunction. Didn't like transmission is not shifting.
Yeah, I just have to turn it off, turn it back on. God, that sounds so good, man. That's so addictive. And I can only hear out of one ear.
put all this stuff back on it.
So done. All done by you?
All done. You did it all, man. I didn't do anything.
How do you feel it went?
It went good. It was pretty smooth. Besides, a few hiccups with any custom kit, really not a big deal there. Having to extend the downpipe, not a pain in the ass, but
It's like extra work, right?
a little bit extra work, yeah. Went smooth, went good. I'm happy with it. Get the tuning right, feel this thing turned up. I'm excited.
I am too, man. So I just got back from taking the car out for a ride, and all I gotta say is it's definitely more powerful. Now this is of course a base map, so it's not gonna be completely outrageous, but it does have some good power behind it. Definitely excited for tuning it and putting on a dyno and actually dyno tuning. But for now, it's running great. So I'm excited. I am super thankful for Matt and the guys here at EuroMpire, but Matt, like really, because he's the one that worked on my car. And I chipped in here and there where I could. It was stressful. Financially, it was stressful just in general because it's a car that I've put a lot of time into. It's a car that I've wanted for a very long time, that I truly like. And I'm not attached to material things, but this is one of those things where like, this is my baby, you know what I'm saying? So I'm glad that she's back on the road and putting her back together. EuroMpire is the first shop to install a stage 4 big boost kit on a B58. So if you guys need someone experienced and you have a big boost kit, North Carolina, Charlotte, North Carolina, EuroMpire, come and get it done here. But anyway, guys, this has been it. We'll be posting a lot more stuff about this as the weeks come, and of course, if you stay glued to my Instagram, I will post some good stuff there too. So thank you guys for watching this journey, this process. I will see you guys next video. Peace.
I skirt, I vanish, I slide outlandish, V12 engine, all black like Batman.